So, you're doing research to find out what floor coating brand will best protect and preserve your floors. We're here to help you purchase the safest floor coatings for you and your loved ones in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Research solvent-based floor coatings. Step 2. Read the list of toxic chemicals. Step 3. Learn about the hazardous side effects. Luckily, there is a safer alternative to solvent-based floor coatings. Step 4. Research water-based floor coatings. Step 5. Find out that clean, water-based floor coatings contain 0 NMP and cause 0 side effects. Step 6. Purchase clean, water-based floor coatings from Vermont Natural Coatings. It reduces VOCs, ensures optimal indoor air quality by lowering harmful emissions, and protects the health of your family. Step 7. Breathe easy. You bought clean, water-based floor coatings because you care about your loved ones.